Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a everything shower routine, but I'm going to have cutaways so I can talk about each product a little bit longer and in more detail because I've been loving all of these products. So I guess you can say this is a everything shower routine slash what's in my shower slash current shower phase. Yeah, this is like a hybrid video because let's be real, I have way more than this in my shower currently. But these are the products that I've been reaching for the most. I just wanted to walk you guys through my everything shower routine. So I don't always end up doing an everything shower routine, but when I do, these are the steps that I take. Forewarning, if you're gonna do an everything shower, I highly recommend being well fed and extremely hydrated because it's kind of like a marathon in the shower because you're doing every step that you could ever do in the shower. And also make sure you don't shower with the door completely closed when you're doing an everything shower routine because you might pass out or at least crack your door, turn your fan on. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So the first thing that I do when I'm doing an everything shower, even though I do this most days when I shower, I always like to start from, you know, head all the way down. So I like to wash my face first. So I've been loving my La Roche-Posay Purifying Foam and Cleanser. So I go in with this cleanser first. I've been using this cleanser for probably 4 or 5 years. I just always go back to it. I also like their hydrating cleanser as well, but the foaming cleanser is my favorite because I tend to have more oily skin, and I do reach for the hydrating one in the winter time, but this is the one that I reach for the most. As you can see, this is almost completely empty. It's like all the way down here. So I like to wash my face with this first because of course I'm always a double cleanser even when I'm not wearing makeup, because I still think double cleansing is super important even if you're not wearing makeup because you still have a lot of pollution and sunscreen on your face from the day. So I always recommend double cleansing. So my first cleanse is always in the shower. So I like to go in with this first. So I wash my face with this. And then my second step, I like to go ahead and go in and wash my hair. So the shampoo that I've been reaching for is this Way one. And I have been hearing a ton of great things about this shampoo. This is the Way Detox Shampoo. I am obsessed with this shampoo. This is a really good detox shampoo that does not make my hair feel super squeaky clean and like dry, because I know some clarifying shampoos have a ton of sulfates in them. I don't mind using sulfates, but sometimes they can get a bit aggressive for my hair. But this one does a really good job at cleansing the scalp without doing all of that. So it just says, time to detox. This concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil, and impurities. It also removes buildup from styling products or hard water deposits. So it leaves the hair feeling refreshed and super clean. So I've really been enjoying this. I've used this maybe like 4 or 5 times, and a little bit actually goes a long way. So it's like only like up to here. And I also feel like this is gentle enough to use twice a week if you like to shampoo twice a week. It's crazy now because I used to be such a co-wash girl, but now I find that I have to shampoo my scalp every single week because just like your body changes throughout the years, I feel like so does your skin, and your scalp is skin. And I feel like over the past like maybe 3 years, I can't really co-wash like I used to because my scalp just gets way too irritated and itchy. So I have to really focus on my scalp health even more so nowadays than I used to. So I really love this shampoo. So most shampoos with apple cider vinegar in them, my scalp just really reacts well to it because apple cider vinegar is a really good like gentle exfoliant for your scalp, and it just helps get all the dead skin off your scalp. So I love this shampoo. So after I go in with this, I like to go in with another product that I've been obsessed with, and it's the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I've been loving this stuff. So when I first saw this was a shampoo, I was kind of confused because it's in a jar, but I had been hearing so many great things about it. I read a ton of really good reviews on this, and people were saying that they noticed a really big difference in their scalp over time, and I've already seen a big difference in my scalp, and I've only used this probably 4 times. You guys saw that I got this during the Sephora spring sale, and I've been loving this stuff. So it is like creamier than I thought it would be. So it's like a creamy consistency, and it's a charcoal color, of course, because it's charcoal in this. And as you guys know, well, some of you may know, charcoal is extremely clarifying. So it basically gets all the impurities and gunk off of the scalp. And the beads in this also are very fine, and they dissolve very quickly. So that's also why I was super hesitant for a while in using a like scalp scrub, because Way also has a scalp scrub, but I just feel like the beads are too large to use on my scalp, me personally, because I have a lot of hair and it's gonna take forever to rinse those out, and they don't dissolve as fast, because I love that scrub on my body, but for the scalp it's just a no for me. But this one has super fine exfoliants in it. They dissolve so quickly, like as you're lathering this into your scalp. It's the reason they're called micro exfoliating, because the beads are very, very tiny. So I love this stuff. It does an amazing job, and I want to get the big pump. Before I got the pump, I wanted to make sure that I liked this before I committed to like the big pump, because I really love incorporating this into my routine weekly. So this is not like a once a month thing for me. I find that using this weekly makes a very big difference. These two, I noticed that my scalp is way less itchy. Like my scalp is actually haven't been itchy since I started using these, and that's a lot coming from me because I use a ton of product to style my hair. So if you're a curly girl and you use a lot of product and you're heavy-handed, then you know you really have to clarify the scalp really well. So I love this stuff. Let me know if you've tried this and you like it as much as I do, because I'm obsessed with it. And also, if you've been trying to find a really good scalp scrub that does a good job and doesn't take forever for the beads to dissolve and to rinse out of your hair, if you have like a lot of hair, then this is the one you need to go for. So after this, I go in with a conditioner, of course. So I've been using this Nexxus Humectress conditioner with Protein Fusion. Kendra put me onto this, and she was raving about it for a reason. I think she mentioned this last year in our curly hair faves, and I've been obsessed with this stuff. This just glides through the hair like butter. So if your hair gets super tangly, and considering I'm doing an everything shower, I like to reach for this because it gets the tangles out the fastest. Because I have a ton of really good conditioners. Like I have a ton of really good conditioners, but I find that this one just gets the tangles out the fastest. I like to go in with this after I double cleanse my scalp. This just does a beautiful job at conditioning the hair and putting the, you know, moisture back into it and detangling. So I need a conditioner that got hands. And like Kendra said, this conditioner got hands. So it gets the job done. If your hair is super long, it gets super tangly easily, like mine. But I have to have a good conditioner to get the tangles out and to also help me retain length, because the more time you're spending trying to get tangles out, the more prone your hair is to breakage because it's wet. So that's also why it's super important to have a good conditioner to detangle your hair. So this one, 5 stars. So after that, I like to go in, by the way, we're still on the hair. Still on the hair, we haven't even moved to the body yet, I know. So next, I like to go in with a hair mask. You guys know I'm a deep conditioner gal. I cannot skip deep conditioner. My hair will not forgive me. So like I said, take care of the scalp. Don't forget to take care of the ends, because that's how you're gonna retain your length and see all the progress. So yeah, so the hair mask that I've been loving is this one from Shea Moisture. This is from their Bond Repair collection. It's new, you can get it at Target. I've been obsessed with that collection, but this is probably my favorite product out of the entire collection. This is the Bond Repair Mask with Restorative Hydroplex Infusion. So this is great if you have heat damage. This is also great if your hair is super prone to breakage, if it feels like a little bit weaker as well. So I've been loving this mask. It has a beautiful like buttery texture. So it glides through the hair beautifully, and it smells so nice. It just smells very sweet and pretty, like a very sweet and pretty smell. But I've used quite a bit of this. I have a backup already. If I love a hair mask, I have to get backups. So I'm obsessed with this one. So if you've been eyeing this one, I highly recommend picking it up along with the rest of the collection. Love the shampoo. If you like a more moisturizing shampoo, but this hair mask just stood out to me. So I like to go in with this after I rinsed out my conditioner. So make sure when you rinse out your conditioner that you squeeze any excess water out before putting in your hair mask. And then after I do that, I just put it in a bun on top of my head and I slap a shower cap over top of this. And sometimes I'll sleep with my hair mask in overnight, sometimes I rinse it out. So after I put my hair mask in, that's when I go in and do my body routine. So next, I like to go in with a feminine wash, and you guys know I love the honey pot one. That's one of my favorites, but I've been loving to use this one from Dove. This is actually from Baby Dove. This is the Baby Dove Sensitive Care Hypoallergenic Wash, fragrance-free moisture. So this is a really good alternative if you don't like any honey pot products. actually really like them. I like the fragrance-free one, the one in the blue packaging. But this one works so well for a feminine wash because I do not believe in using regular scented body wash down there. It just throws out the pH. So I just prefer using a fragrance-free wash, and this one is excellent. You can get it in the baby section, so that's why I get mine at from Target. Love, love, love this one. And it's big, it's in a pump, and it lasts me a really long time because I was going through the Honey Pot ones way too fast, which is why I switched to this one. And this one is recommended by gynecologists, so I love this one. So pick this up for a feminine wash if you've been looking for a new one that's super gentle and gently cleanses. So after my feminine wash, I like to go in and go ahead and use my first body wash because I like to double cleanse. Some people like to double cleanse with a bar soap and then go in with the body wash, but I personally don't like bar soap. I just prefer body wash. My skin just likes it better. So the first body wash I like to go in is with a lighter scented body wash. So this one smells really nice. This is from Method Body. You can get this brand at Target. This is their Peony Rose Water and Pink Sea Salt body wash. This one smells very pretty, very delicate and light. So I love this one. I go in with this one first and scrub my whole body. And I like that they're in a big pump now because they used to only be in like squeeze, like the little squeeze bottles, but these last way, way longer. So I love, love, love this one. This is probably my favorite scent from this line. I always reach for this one the most. So I go in and shower with this first. And then I lather my body a second time, but I like to use something that's a little more fragrant, that smells sexier, because the scent of this sticks to my body even after I get out of the shower. So you guys have heard Kendra and I talk about this brand for years. It's been in favorites videos. It's actually a men's body wash and it's from the brand Cremo. I'm obsessed with this stuff, and they got these big pumps now from Target. I saw this in Target. I was gonna pick up just the regular size, like the squeeze bottles, but look how big this pump is. It's the size of my head. This is one of my favorite scents. This is the Vintage Suede Smooth and Amber scent. This smells so sexy, so decadent, so bougie. It has notes of white moss, rich amber, and smooth suede. It doesn't irritate my skin, and it just smells so freaking good. So if you like a little Labo type vibe mixed with a little bit of amber, amber is more on the sweet side, this is the body wash for you. So I always like to go in with this second for my second wash because it just smells so freaking good. Even when I don't use the Method, because sometimes I like to use like a Dove body wash because I love their melon one. I think that's the name of the one I was using before this one. I still like to go in with this just because I just love how it smells. So after I double cleanse my body, I hope y'all still with me. Next step, exfoliating. I'm pretty sure y'all already know which one I'm gonna mention. I've used a ton of body scrubs. I love the Dove body scrubs and I love the Way body scrub, but I always just reach for this one just because it does an amazing job and it's excellent for sensitive skin. Y'all already know my KP Bump Eraser body scrub. I like to go in with this all over my body, including my underarms, because this is also good at getting rid of dark underarms, because my underarms used to be way darker than this. So if you're trying to also get any deodorant buildup from under your arm, which can also darken your underarms, then you need to be using a really good scrub on them. So I always like to scrub my underarms with this as well. It does a great job of exfoliating without irritating the skin or without being too rough or too abrasive. The beads are nice and fine and they rinse off super easily. This also has 10% AHA in it, so also a little bit of a chemical and physical exfoliation for you. So it just says that this scrub uses glycolic and lactic acids to help resurface skin's top layer, buffing out the keratosis pilaris, which is known as strawberry skin. Haven't had strawberry skin in such a long time, ever since I started using body scrubs that don't irritate my skin, and this is definitely one of them. I used to use the KP Duty in the jar. That's also an excellent body scrub, but this one is a little bit cheaper than that one and does the exact same thing. This one has just always been one of my favorites. Also, this is recommended not to use on your face. Even on the back it says not intended for face, so this is strictly for your body, so don't be using this on your face. So after I go in and scrub my entire body, I like to go in and shave. So I like to shave my arms, my legs, and my underarms with this. So I've been loving this L'OCCITANE in shower oil. So this is technically like a hydrating shower oil body wash. So they just describe it as cleansing and softening, but I've been liking to use this. Is that correct verbiage? I've been loving this to shave. So I like to lather my body in this first, like all over each area that I'm gonna shave in. So just emulsify it with water and just lather your body in this, and then I like to use it to shave. And this is the razor that I still use, still lasted me so many years. This is the Honey razor. I've recommended this razor so many times. I've never gone back to using the Gillette razors that I used to use, because I'm not gonna lie, men's razors just get a closer shave. So those are the ones that I used to use at the drugstore. But this Honey razor is incredible because all you have to do is just replace the blades inside. And I showed you guys this last time I did a what's in my shower. It's like the transformer of razors. You just open it and then you can take the blade out. So it comes, initially when you buy it, it comes with replacement blades, but like after you run out, you can just go ahead and order them on Sephora or on the direct website. So I just love this. It also comes with like this rubbery cover because these blades are pretty sharp. So it's important to, you know, put this back to protect yourself, because like I said, these are very sharp and I have cut myself a couple of times. But this just gets the closest shave with this. These two together, you about to have dolphin skin, boo. Super soft. I still love a good shaving cream, but I just prefer this because I noticed that my skin is softer when I shave with this LOCCITANE shower oil. Then my last step, after I rinse, you know, that off my body, after I'm done shaving, I like to lightly towel dry my entire body before I get out of the shower, and I like to slap on a lightweight lotion. I'm gonna do a separate video on out of the shower products because these are strictly in shower products for me. So I like to put on a lightweight lotion, and I like to use this one from Nivea. This is the Skin Firming Hydration Body Lotion. This is for normal skin. So like I said, a lightweight lotion because it just lathers faster. Not lathers, it's not shampoo. It just blends into the skin faster. So this one works great for in-shower lotion if you like to put on lotion before you get out of the shower, because it makes the skin even more soft. Y'all, so freaking soft. So this is a lighter formulation. So this isn't like the all blue packaging Nivea lotion that me and Kendra are also obsessed with. Like I said, I'm going to do a separate video on out of the shower body products that I'm obsessed with. So I like to put this on before I even put on like my body creams and body oils because it's so light, but it's perfect for in showers. As my final step for my everything shower routine. Okay guys, so if you made it to the end of this very long extensive video, please comment down below a green heart emoji if you're on your phone. If you're not on your phone, that's completely fine. Let me know if you made it to the end of this video. As always, I will have a full list of all of these products in the description box below. I love a good everything shower, but I'm not gonna lie, I do not do this every single day because of course I don't shave every day, I don't exfoliate every day, and I don't wash my hair every day. But I do shower every day, of course. But sometimes a good everything shower is necessary because you don't always have enough time to split it up in days depending on what you have going on. So this is my everything shower routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.